先看一下它的断药点在这里。
Now this is the breakpoint in the AB mode. Now we will fly the drone back to the breakpoint.
然后我们解锁。
We unlock and take off manually. If you don't want to let the drone back to the breakpoint, you can clear AB mode. Okay, now we start AB mode flight. The drone will back to the breakpoint. Okay, now it arrived the breakpoint. And it starts the AB mode. Continue the spring work. It continues spring from A to B and then from B to A. Okay, now record another breakpoint. And then we fly the drone back manually. You can also use 1K return to home. We land the drone. Later we will test the spread system.